In this video, we are going to see 4th Standard English, Unit 1, Lesson 1, The 7 Seeds. Already we have seen in the last video, the king gave 7 seeds to each children and asked them to take to home and nurture them. The children took their seeds and hurried home. They all got a pot, prepared some soil and sowed their seeds. The entire kingdom was excited. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. After getting the seeds, the children hurried to home and prepared a pot, some soil and sowed their seeds. Yes, entire kingdom was very excited and they were all anxious. Anxious means eager to see who is the next king would be. One of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. Annie did not know what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken. She had selected the soil with care, put the right manure, and very dutifully watered it. She had even prayed over it day and night, and yet her seeds hadn't grown at all. Among the 7 finalists, Annie was the one of the finalists. The days passed into weeks, but her seed failed to sprout. Annie did not know what had gone wrong. Even her parents also were heartbroken. Yes, they felt very sad. She has selected the soil with care. So she selected the healthy soil and put the right manure. Manure means fertilizer, and dutiful to watered it. Yes, the right time every day she used to watered it. She had prayed over it day and night. She also prayed day and night, and yet her seeds had never grown at all. So if you are in that place, how do you feel? Yes, you feel very sad, isn't it? Yes, we all think that we want to win in the competition, and she also felt the same. Some of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. After all, they said, how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. They reminded her that if the king wanted them to plant just any wheat, he would have asked them to get their seed. If you use any different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. Maybe you are not destined for the throne. If so, let it be, but it would be wrong to cheat the king. They told her. Annie agreed. Some of her friends advised her to go to the market and get some new seeds and plant. After all said, a parent said that how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? And Annie's parents always taught her the value of honesty. They reminded her the king wanted them to plant just any wheat, means you can get some other seeds. If you use any different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. So we should not cheat the king. Must be you are not destined for the throne. Okay, destined means fate. So you don't have the luck to sit on the throne, they advised her. If so, let it be, but it would be wrong to cheat the king. Cheating the king is wrong. And Annie also agreed them. It had been 6 weeks now. The much awaited day had come. The children returned to the palace, each of them proudly carrying a pot of healthy seedlings. It was obvious that the other 9 had great success with their seeds. The king arrived. He was beaming, looking at the children and their pots of healthy seedlings. He began walking along the line of pots the children had kept. He asked each of them, is this what grew from the seed I gave you? And each of them responded, yes, your majesty. And the king would nod and move down the line. It had been 6 weeks now, awaited day had come. The children returned to the palace by carrying a pot of healthy seedlings. Obviously, all other 9 children had great success with their seeds. The king arrived. He was beaming looking at the children and their pot of healthy seedlings. Beaming means shining or glittering. The king began walking along the line of the pot the children had kept. And the king asked each and every one, "Is that what grew from the seeds I gave you?" Each children responded, "Yes, your majesty." And the king would nod and move down the line. The king finally got to the last one, Annie. The girl was shaking. She feared that the king might have thrown her into the prison for wasting her precious seeds. "What did you do with the seeds I gave you?" the king asked. The king finally came near Annie. Annie was shaking. She was feared that the king would have thrown her to the prison because she thought that she was wasting his precious seeds. The king asked Annie, "What did you do with the seeds I gave you?" "Your Majesty, I planted them and cared for them every day. I am sorry, but they failed to sprout," Annie said. She hung her head in shame. "Boo," jeered the crowd. Annie replied to the king that she planted them and cared them for every day, even though they failed to sprout. And she hung her head in shame. "Boo," jeered the crowd. Jeered means teased. All the people teased her. But the king raised his hands and signaled for silence. Then he said, "Dear people, behold my heir, the next leader of our kingdom." The people were confused. "Why that girl? How can she be the right choice?" By seeing the crowd, the king raised his hands and signaled them for the silence. Then he said, "Dear people, behold my heir." Behold means see. See my heir, the next leader of our kingdom. By hearing that, all the people were confused and they thought, "Why that girl? How can she be the right choice?" Yes, you too confused, I think so. She had never grown the plant. Then how can she be the right choice? The king took his place on his throne with Annie by his side and said, "I gave of them 7 seeds. This test was not for growing wheat. It was a test of character, a test of honesty. If a leader must have one quality, it must be that he or she should be honest. People should be able to trust the leader. Only this girl passed the test. I gave boiled seeds, and boiled seeds cannot grow." The king took his place on his throne with Annie by his side and said that, "I gave each of them 7 seeds. This test was not growing plants, by finding character and honesty. If the leader must have one quality, it must be that he or she should be honest." So honesty is the important character. People should be able to trust the leader, so the leader must be honest. Only this girl passed the test. Do you know how? The king gave boiled seeds to each of them. Can boiled seeds grow? No, boiled seeds cannot grow. So other children cheated the king. But this girl was honest. So she was the winner. So children, we should not cheat anybody. Always we have to be honest. I hope you will develop this quality.